Okay, hello. My name is Sharon Suzuki-Martinez, and I'm originally from Hawaii, and now I live in Tempe, Arizona, the original homeland of the Akimel O'odham. And I'd like to dedicate my chapbook to my husband David, and to the Gila River Indian community and the Salt River Pima Maricopa Indian community. And this is my chapbook. It's called A Glimpse of Birds Over O'odham Land. Vulture, Nui. The O'odham say Nui shaped the desert's valleys and peaks with wings the hues of night and day. It still circles in the summers, admiring its handiwork. Roadrunner, Tadai. Neither friend nor foe to coyote, Tadai is a snake killer and the thief of fire who barely survived the flight from the cloud house of lightning. Verdon, Gisobi. Gisobi, the tiny sun-faced flitter with a big voice, is a powerful makai. Pester it and it will call thunderstorms or put you fast asleep in the middle of battle. Mourning dove, Hohi. Hohi has a plant of her own, the Mexican gold poppy. Every spring, she wails and broods over the seeds to reawaken her slain grandsons as golden four-petaled blooms. Hummingbird, Vipismal. Never harm Vipismal, because when the next flood comes, this jewel-jacketed warrior won't sing to save you as it has since the beginning. And my last poem, Gila Woodpecker, Hikvig. Hikvig helped to find the center of the world. If you live in Phoenix, you live in the center. And you have this brash black and white checkerboard scout to thank. Thank you.